My new discus just arrived. And here's the unboxing. Insane that they can ship fish in a box. All right, here's fish number one. We're gonna add some fish tank water into this bag to warm them up a bit. All right, so I got everybody opened up now, and I've added some of my fish tank water to their water. Yes, Frank, you're very excited, I know. So we're gonna let them sit for about 10 minutes now before we scoop them into the tank. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes of them acclimating to my water, and it is time to put them in. It's very, very cold for these guys right now. All right, buddy. Number one, get a look at him. Oh, he looks great. And number two, we do it this way to get as little of the new water in our tank as possible. Ooh, that guy looks beautiful. He looks like Big Blue, who we lost. Number three. Okay, buddy, come on. Ready? Here's another Big Blue. These guys look so good compared to that other place. And our final buddy. These guys they're orange right now, but they will be red, actually. And this is our fourth new friend. Let them warm up a little bit. Frank's excited. Yay, they look great. So happy. Yeah, get the other guys. And of course, two of my biggest guys laid eggs last night, so we've got eggs and new fish. Oopsie. Yes, yes, yes. Sorry, the tank is dark. We're still in our time of darkness for the new fish, but these are my breeding pair. They lay eggs often. They've never come to fruition. They eat them before anything happens. And then everybody else, including my new guys, are hanging out in this corner over here, getting to know each other. Woo.